Your vehicle is equipped with a push-button ignition. When pushing the ignition switch once, without applying the foot brake, the vehicle is in ACC mode. When the ignition switch is pushed a second time, it will change to on, and a third time returns the ignition switch back to off. If the ignition is left in the ACC or on position, various systems in the vehicle can discharge the battery and your vehicle may not start. To start your vehicle, be sure the shift lever is in the park position. Depress the brake pedal and then push the ignition switch. To turn your engine off, put the shift lever in park and push the ignition switch. In the event your intelligent key battery is almost discharged, there is still a backup method to start your engine. A low battery will cause a guide light on the intelligent key port to blink. You will find the intelligent key port to the left of the steering column. In this situation, inserting the intelligent key into the port will allow you to start the engine. Be sure the front of the intelligent key faces the driver's side door and the key ring end faces toward you. Then follow the normal start procedures. To remove the intelligent key from the port, you must first push the ignition switch to the off position. The intelligent key port does not charge the intelligent key battery. If you see the low battery indicator in the vehicle information display, replace the battery as soon as possible. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.